Okay guys, so are you ready for the Miss Julie quiz?
Ready.
Yes. Okay, question 1. Who is Miss Julie?
Miss Julie is the 18-year-old daughter of a British tycoon in Singapore, and she has a rather steamy relationship with her father's chauffeur.
Alright, question 2. Which 2 festivals/events take place in the play?
Chinese New Year.
And Ash Wednesday.
And Mardi Gras, apparently. Question 3. Name one mode of transport in 1948 Singapore.
A car, which we have in the play.
I drive a Rolls Royce, the Master's Rolls Royce. Even though the play is set in 1948, the issues that we're dealing with, race, power, sex, they're still things that we're dealing with now. So the play is, although it's set all those years ago, it is a play for today.
So come and see the Asian premiere of Miss Julie in Singapore, starting on the 25th of January at the KC Arts Centre.